Hey guys, Ryan, Client Advisor here with Gramophone, and I'm very excited to talk about today the Audeze LCD-MX4. The Audeze MX4 represents a fusion of their reference and flagship lines. This gives you the best of both worlds. Whether you're listening by yourself to your favorite music or you're mastering music, it's going to give you an exceptional experience. This is a fantastic product that I got to spend several days listening to, and I'm excited to share my details about it. Let's get into it right now. Alright guys, let's check out what Audeze gives you right out of the box. First off, let's comment on the box itself. This is a hard travel case that you can use to travel around the world wherever you're going and also keep it safe within your home. Really nice touch from Audeze. So within the case, you get a very nice cable. This has mini XLR connections that go into the headphone, and then a 1/4-inch adapter here. And then really the star of the show, let's pull them out. Really lightweight in the hand, premium build quality. You get the lovely leather pads that Audeze is known for. They just feel plush on the head. They're super comfortable. Carbon fiber headband, really nice touch, which reduces weight. Leather strap below. Everything is premium. This thing's built like a tank and designed to last the lifetime of using it. So this headphone gives you a best of both worlds, a fusion of their reference line and also their flagship headphones. So with the Audeze MX4, you get the Double Fluxor magnet array from the LCD4. You also get this has a 106mm planar magnetic driver with ultra thin film diaphragms. The phasers also give accurate imaging, which is going to provide an immersive experience. You have a reduced interference of sound waves and a more extended high frequency range. These are going to offer unparalleled control over diaphragm movements. This headphone will give you ultra low distortion at any SPL. They have an extremely fast transient response and a very wide frequency response. So the Audeze MX4 additionally gives you a frequency response of 10 Hz to 50 kHz, giving you a wide dynamic sound range. The impedance of this headphone is 20 ohms, making it an incredibly easy headphone to drive. So you don't have to go out and invest in a very high-end headphone amplifier. You can use your phone, but if you give it a nice source, again like the Cord Hugo TT2, it's gonna rise to the occasion and sound even better. Audeze gives you a really nice cable here. It's very premium in the hand, doesn't kink up. It gives you mini XLR connections, which is great, a very secure connection, and then a 1/4-inch adapter at the end, which almost every headphone amplifier has. So a really nice touch, and means you can use it with a wide range of products. And this cable is really nice. It gives you more length than you actually need, coming in at 6.2 feet. But if you want, Audeze offers an upgrade option for their premium cable that features cryogenically treated 4-conductor stranded wire. So the weight of this product is 1.3 pounds. And that's a fantastic job by Audeze. They've taken your feedback and they've cut weight. And that means for a really easy, long-term listening session. They've done this a couple of ways. They've done a carbon fiber headband, which I think looks awesome and also takes weight off the product as well. They've also shaved some weight in also the components using lighter weight materials, but are also very durable and will last a long time. The beautiful leather pads to the understated design of it, I think gives this product a really cool look. So I've always been a fan of Audeze's design. I think every headphone that they release, they hit a home run, and it's no different with this pair. They look awesome and they feel great on the head. From the headphone to the hard travel case, it's exceptional. The travel case is awesome. It means you can take these on the road around the world and have your high fidelity or studio mixing sessions wherever you need it. That's a really nice touch. So for me personally, what I loved about this headphone was that it gave you all the details that the music was offering, but it also gave you that low-end response that made it a lot of fun to listen to. So you get the clarity when you're mixing and mastering, but you also get that fun listen when it calls for it. And a lot of headphones can't do that, and that's a huge, huge bonus. I personally might have to buy this headphone. It's that good. So just under $3,000, the Audeze MX4 gives you tremendous performance. Whether it's its lightweight design, to its class-leading performance, or its beautiful looks, it really is a home run in all regards in my book. So if you guys are interested in purchasing this amazing headphone, you can buy it at skybygramophone.com right from your home and get fast and free shipping right to your door. So you can actually demo this wonderful product here at our Timonium location, but come also check us out at the Columbia location, Gaithersburg, and visit our lovely Kitchen Design Center in Hunt Valley. Also, follow us at our social media channels. We're on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Houzz. The links can be found below. Whether you're looking for project ideas, need to schedule a service request, or contact our team of hi-fi, home theater, and interior design experts, get inspired at Gramophone.com. Also, ask at Gramophone.com if you have any questions. Alright, you guys know what to do. Give me a like, drop a comment below, and make sure to subscribe. Let us know what you think of the MX4. Were you as excited to hear about this as I was? Thank you guys for watching, and as always, enjoy the music.